The Xiaomi Mi 6 is the affordable Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 flagship phone you've been waiting for, but check for LTE compatibility before buying in. The Xiaomi Mi 6 is one of the best Android phones around. I love the Mi 6 for what it is, an amazing device with the same speedy processor as the Samsung Galaxy S8 749.99 at Best Buy and a beautiful design that stands out on its own. It also comes with dual cameras and takes portrait pictures like the Apple iPhone 7 Plus 1299.11 at Amazon.com and now, the On It Plus 5. You get Android goodness with some Apple-like features. And it costs a lot less than your typical flagship phone.